If you are a foodie, this recipe is for you. You are watching Gourmet at Home. My name is Amrish. Today I will be preparing a recipe of kopra patties, and this dish is from Indore. It is quite similar to the aloo tikki, vada pav or aloo bonda. Kopra patties, they are round in shape like koftas, crispy from outside, soft from center. So let's start making the recipe of kopra patties. For this recipe of Indori kopra patties, we will be using boiled potatoes, grated coconut, cashew nut, raisin, green chili, chopped ginger, coriander, amchur powder, garam masala, lemon juice and some corn flour or arrowroot powder. The recipe has got two parts. In the first part, we will make the stuffing with coconut. In the second part, we will season the potatoes, make round koftas and fry them till crispy. First, I will add approximately 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Oil is hot. I will start first by adding ginger, 1 teaspoon of green chili, followed by I will add broken cashew nuts and raisins. We add coconut. I have used half fresh coconut for this recipe. You can also use desiccated coconut. When you are using the fresh coconut, you have to sweat the coconut on a high flame so that there is no excessive moisture in the stuffing. The coconut mixture is almost dry now. We'll transfer this in a mixing bowl. We'll season it with some salt, cumin powder, amchur powder and some freshly chopped green coriander. We'll gently mix all the ingredients, season them with some lemon juice, rest it on side, and in the meantime we will season the potatoes. I will add the boiled grated potatoes in a mixing bowl. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour, approximately half teaspoon of cumin powder. Season the mixture with some salt, and this is the time we will mix all the ingredients. So first we will divide the stuffing into equal portions. After the coconut mixture, now coming to the potatoes. So potatoes might be a little sticky, so apply some oil or divide the potato mixture into equal size or equal portions. After making the round dumplings of coconut and potatoes, we'll just give a light crumb of corn flour to ensure they will not disintegrate while we are frying them. Street food of Indore has lots of influences from its neighbouring states like Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Chhappan Dukan Bazaar and Sarafa Bazaar are immensely popular among the food lovers of Indore. Chhappan Dukan Bazaar is mainly busy during the breakfast time in the morning and in the evening for snacks, while the Sarafa Bazaar is active from 9 p.m. until 2 a.m. in the morning. These streets offer innovative street food with some local flavors. The oil is hot, So let's try the copra patties. Copra patties are fried. They are crispy in texture. I will remove them from the oil. Let's plate the copra patties and serve them along with some tamarind chutney. I have got some evocative memories of Indore, where I have just traveled to experience and inspire myself with some new ideas and thoughts on street food. If you have any of your memories, do share with us. Looking forward to see you again in our next segment of Gourmet at Home.